Back, students. Now the topic which we will do is rebellion in the countryside. Earlier, this movement was started in cities. Now, non-cooperation movement was spread to the countryside as well. It drew into its fold the struggles of peasants and tribals, which were developing in different parts of India in the years after the war. Now, non-cooperation movement was spread at the countryside and it was into the fold of struggles of peasants and tribal, those who were living in different parts of countryside and which were developing in different parts of India in the years after the war. After the war, First World War, so these peasants and tribal, they were living in different areas. So first of all, we'll talk about Awadh. In Awadh, peasants were led by Baba Ramchandra. In Awadh, the farmers, they were led by Baba Ramchandra. He was a sannyasi and who had been earlier a Fiji as an indentured laborer. Earlier, Baba Ramchandra was a laborer in Fiji. Indentured means a formal, according to formal agreement, he was a laborer in Fiji. So the movement here was against talukdar and landlords. In Awadh, this movement was against talukdar and landlords because they demanded very high rents from peasants for doing agriculture work on their piece of land, and variety of other cesses also. So cesses means taxes. It is also some taxes which is decided by landlords and talukdars which they will take from peasants. Now peasants, they had to do begar and work at landlord's farm without any payment. Now peasants, they had to, because they don't have any other options, because landlords, they demanded so much rents from these laborers, so they had to do begar. Begar means forced labor. Begar means forced labor. So these peasants, they were forced to do work on the landlord's farms without any payment because they were unable to pay high rents and other taxes. So as tenants, they had no security of tenure, being regularly evicted, so that they could acquire no right over the leased land. Now, as the tenant, they were occupant, so they had no security of tenure. There is no time limit till how long they had to work there, and they were regularly evicted. Evicted means to expel forcefully. So forcefully they were evicted, they were expelled from the land, so that these labor, they could not acquire any right over the land. So the peasant movement demanded reduction of revenue and abolition of begar. So in Awadh, the demand of this peasant, the movement which was started by peasants, they demanded reduction of the revenues and abolition of begar and social boycott of oppressive landlords. So they don't wanted any kind of landlords now.